Good evening, everybody, and it's a beautiful evening out there. Oh, today's video, we are going to be stripping all this nice bare bright wire. So we'll start with the biggest stuff first, and then we'll work our way down. That way, I'll keep everything organized a bit. That's gonna go a long ways. I'm just doing a small wire. We've got a couple of big chunks here to do. That was a little bit too loose. Let's try this one. Nope. There we go. That cut it. Now you run it through on opposite sides so it's easy to pull apart. Just like this. Look at that chunk of bare bright, guys. Ain't that nice? I got one more chunk that size here. Boom. That's some nice bare bright, guys. Look at that. All right, now next size down. I got some number 2 here I got to do up. I'll take care of this right away. There's number 2. This stuff here is tin coated. There, she cut through that time. I'll just peel it off like this. This, give it a good rip. It's already my number 2. Get that out of there. Piece of cloth. Now, there we go. Move it through this way. There we go. Oh, that's gonna be some nice money tomorrow, boys and girls, children of all ages. Oh my goodness. Ah, she comes. Look at that. Oops, still some red on there. Get that off. Yeah, this black one's just as thick. Oh my goodness. Ugh. She's all bent to crap here. Yeah, I think people would straighten out for me before they put it in the trash, wouldn't you? Here we go. No, she'll come off. Ugh. One way or the other, she'll come off her. think that's all the heavy, big thick ones. Well, these ones again are a little bit smaller. Oh goodness, I messed it up. Oh, we'll do those after. There we go. That's annoying. There, now we can see that nice color through the plastic. Snap, crackle, pop makes you split. With it perfectly, that's just what we want. Yep. A piece of it here. Gosh, dang it. Look at that down. Nice gold. Goodness, it's on it. That's some thick stuff. Oh, that's why. The plastic coating underneath of this. There we go. That's weird. A nice Bear Bright. There's plastic coating underneath, like thick plastic coating. Whew. All right, there's the big pieces done. That's good, 3 pounds right there, I'd say. Now, bring way down. Not quite. I think we got it that time. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Nope, we did not. So trim this piece of plastic off here so that you can't go back through again. Because no, it's going to be a big mess inside. There we go. Ah, that's nice. This wasn't the right wire. This stuff here still number one beer, right? But I did not know this stuff was stranded. There we go. See, beer is bright and holds the shape and bent, so it's going in there. Good enough. So, this next one's a red one. That hurt. Right through the glove, that one. We're not gonna mess around with this one here too much. I just drove that right through my fingers through the glove. There, that's still number one Bear Bright. Hey, now for the smaller stuff, shall we? Alrighty, catch more. And down the other side. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt doing this. There we go. Now we got her. There, perfect that time. Yeah, you want the garbage. Now, this could be the next thickest wire. There we go. That cut through. All right, now let's see if we got it stripped enough. It's going deep enough. Oh my goodness. The answer is yep. So we're good to go for all the rest of the wiring here. All right, guys, I'll bring you back when I'm done with this here and show how much it weighs. Yikes. Hey guys, we're back. We're not quite done. We got a few more pieces, so it's getting late in the evening. I got more work I gotta do around the house. We got this much done so far. A big chunk of it, but we keep running this problem of jams in here. Right down there, she's all jammed up. So what we have to do is unplug it. Make sure it's unplugged. Back blade off all the way. Then we get a few turns when we get in there. Pull that out the front. Oh, when it came out, ain't that a son of a gun? Well, it has been wrapping up in there quite badly. And you have to take these two screws out here. And pop this plate off. Back that up a ways, the blade. So you can unwind it. So that's how you fix a jam on one of these things. And I need a coffee break. So we'll take this load in tomorrow. We'll see what it weighs and pays then. And it looks like it's going to be quite a nice little payday. We got this here. Oh, get off of there, you. We got all this, which is even stripped. Oop, this is a big piece. That's probably 5 pounds right there with that. So let's say we're going to roughly 5 pounds of bare brights. That's roughly 20 bucks. We got our bucket number 1 there, or number 2 there. We got 3 radiators there we had to clean. There's 1 more here that has to be cleaned. So we have number 2 copper going in the morning. This one here turned out to be all aluminum, son of a gun. But yeah, we'll get this done tonight. I'm filthy dirty. I'm exhausted. I've had a long day today. Oh, good heavens. Better latch this up in case I don't come down before dark. We don't want to fill up the buggies. So we are coming back down here after we have a break. And we're going to see what we can finish that up. I want to do the radiators that are in there, finish them up. Tomorrow morning I'm going to try to take apart that industrial hand mixer, food mixer. A big heavy thing down there. Must weigh 150, 200 pounds. We'll show that being tore apart in the morning. Then we'll load everything up and leave at 3 in the afternoon for the scrapyard. And see what we weighed and paid. We're going to load as much that shred down there as we can. Try to clean that field out. Load the truck and trailer up. We got one of the fire pits sold. We're going to deliver tomorrow on the way home. I got a fridge and some bikes to pick up. Maybe a washer and dryer after we unload tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon we'll pick that stuff up and drop it at the fire pit at the lady's house. Flies are getting terrible again. All right, guys. Thanks for being here. We'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care. And yeah, God bless you guys. Everybody.